Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Hayes Creek Outside. I'm Hayes Creek. Today we're out in Pungo, Virginia, and we're going to find out the answer to an age-old question. Does Ivory soap really work on catching catfish, or really anything for that matter? So I brought my pool noodles, and I'm going to use two different baits. I'm going to use Ivory soap, and I've also brought the tried and true Brim. I'm going to cut that up, and we're going to have the Ivory soap on my yellow or orange noodles, and I'm going to have the Brim on the red noodles. And I'm just put into this little marshy creek to where I can get to the main river, and it is crystal clear, which is rare. It's normally pretty muddy, and I can see everything in here, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so we're going to answer that question today one way or another. If we're catching catfish on the Brim, we should be able to catch catfish on the Ivory soap. I guess the idea is if you watch Fight Club, it's made out of fat or something of that nature. It's smelly. Who knows? It sounds good in theory, but I always wanted to know if that's actually true, so I'm going to find that out today. But please like and subscribe. It's a fact that 1982 they did a study that subscribers to my channel are just better looking, more intelligent, and wealthier than the average person. So if that's you, just please like and subscribe, and let's find out the answer to that question. Is Ivory soap a good bait for fish? Let's get outside. Let's get on it. Yeah, I'm not sure this is going to be good. It's already falling apart. I was worried about it just breaking up as soon as you put a hook in it. Chunks up nice. Oh, but see, it's already falling apart. We're going red for cut bait. Now we're using a little bit of Brim. Boom, all right. Yeah, it's about 5 feet deep. But this is a channel that goes out to deeper water, a place called Back Bay. Right now we're kind of in Pungo, transition area, tidal. So as it comes in and out, funnels those fish right through here. All right. So now we know that there are catfish out here. Whoop. So Brim 1, Ivory soap 0. Okay. And that was on the small circle hook. Put some more bait on that. I don't plan on catching much bigger than that all day today. Whoop. Bam. All right. Oh, there goes another one. Again, I haven't even got all my noodles in, and they're getting hammered. I like it. But again, that's another brim. Ivory soaked, nothing so far. Not even a nibble. Man, it is nice back here. I might have to break out my bass lure. Whoa! And I need to pay attention. That just scared the absolute crap out of me. Wasn't expecting that. Maybe I will catch a bigger fish. Oh, that's just on a log. That's what that is. Holy crap. Dude, that was a bowfin. That was an absolute bowfin. Had no idea they're out here. Holy crap. I had no idea there's both. Dude, that's a whole nother level right there, guys and gals. I'm out here for catfish, and look at that. We might have run into some mess of freaking bowfin. That's, for those that haven't watched the channel before, that's one of my favorite, probably my absolute favorite freshwater fish to catch. Bowfin, and man, that thing, it's... Look at this. Yeah. That's what they call an angry fish. Pound for pound, the best fighting fish out there. Oh, nope, that's a catfish. Getting a little bit bigger. It doesn't matter the size of the hook, you catch them either way. Looks like we might have one in this far one. Yeah, that's something. Woo! People wonder why I like to jug fish with noodles. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's something on that. Whoa, whoa, where are you going? It's that bowfin I was telling you about. Whew. That's an angry fish right there. Whew. These things have, I don't know, I just got mad respect for them because they're aggressive, they breathe air, they got teeth, which has got me a little nervous because apparently the second thing I forgot was my rag. All right. Nice. Now that's a pretty fish right there. I don't know if you can see down in there, but he's got a nice little row of teeth. This is a baby. So baby bowfin. All right. Get to that before he gets to that log. And I am hammered up on, there's just so much structure out here. Whoa, 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 where are you going? Ooh. Yeah, I'd say that's a hookup. Man, I love it when I'm wrong. I love it when I'm wrong. And that sawn soap right there, is that the log hitting that? Holy crap. This was on cut bait, but it's a lot bigger than I anticipated. Well, you saw it. I counted. That was number 3. Oh, that's just a catfish. If it's a bowfin, it's in the net. All right, that's number 7 for, damn, look at that. For the brim, 0 for Ivory soap. Little dab. Well, that's about it for today, guys and gals. Thanks for watching. I think the final tally was 7 fish caught on the brim and 0 fish caught on Ivory soap. So winner is cut brim. We had 5 catfish and 1 bowfin on the reds, and I'm not sure I even had a bite at all on the orange, which was the Ivory soap. So that puts to bed, I think, conclusively, that Ivory soap can be used as bait for catfish. Now, I know there's many different types of catfish, and this is only one little estuary, but 7 fish to 0. Okay, I think I like that. Next week, we're going to go with brim versus chicken liver. Chicken liver I know works, but I'm curious to see which one works best. Kind of a bracketology here. We're gonna bracket it out, and so Ivory soap is lost to brim. Next week we're gonna go liver versus brim, and then of course at some point we'll reach out and we'll do earthworms versus the winner of chicken liver and brim. But again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hayes Crude outside.